Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to update or download iOS 15 without using a Wi-Fi or computer, using your mobile data instead. So stay tuned and follow my lead. Now let's go to settings, go to general, software update. Now if you look up there, it says LTE, which means I'm using my cellular data. Now the update is in. Let's see, upgrade to iOS 15. You click on that. You see that the download is and install is grayed out. So you have to go back right now. Go back, go to general again. And then you go to date and time. And then you change the time, the date to, let's say, November. I chose November. Then you go back and then you go back and go to software update again. It's loading, and then you go to upgrade. You see that now it says download and install, so you click on that and it's going to download. So if you like these tutorials, please kindly subscribe and make sure you click the bell icon.